How the fuck are ye who reek of bile and frog piss? Galactic criminal here. And we've got ourselves a suggestion today. This one coming from Sabik Roy Chowdhury. Cannot say it. But he goes on to say, hey Ginger Man, I have been asking you to check out this band for ages. Come on, give it a shot. You won't regret it. How many times do I have to tell you fuckers not to grovel and beg? It makes you sound feeble and weak. Oh yeah, don't fucking apologize either. We're gonna check out Aetherian, the Rain with a 1, 2. Melodic death metal, I believe. I like the silhouetted look. Ho 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 ho! It's so epic sounding. Man! This is fucking incredible! I'm already sold! It's got me pulled right in. fucking dirty. What a peaceful little outro. Oh, fucking. Oh my god. I mean, most suggestions that I get will say something like, you won't regret it, or you're absolutely gonna love this, and that is usually the case for the most part. There have been some abysmal fucking turds that I had to abandon the video of right away and pick something else because it was so bad I couldn't even stand to get all the way through it. Very few of them, but it has happened. And this was the absolute opposite of that. I mean, just from like the opening riff alone, I knew I was gonna enjoy this. The sort of like sleek and slower style rhythm, and then just the saily type fucking riff, dude. So fucking badass. Honestly, kind of reminds me of a group that I reacted to and kind of dug into a bit called Insomnium. I could even go so far as to say that the vocals sound very similar as well. But something I would have to say separates this group from a band like Insomnium and some others, and what I really fucking enjoyed, aside from like the epic scale of this track, was the fucking cool and kind of strange changes. Like playing that slower style groove, right? Getting you settled right into that shit, and then out of fucking nowhere just jumping into a fucking hyper speed. But then kind of breaking formula as well as to not play just a giant fucking speed section. They kind of break it up and intermittently toss it in there in the progression. And if that shit wasn't fucking cool enough, they jumped into the first solo section, which was pretty sweet to me because it was a little more subdued, kind of pulled back. And I found that interesting because after I'd heard the second solo section, I realized that the first one was a little bit more of like a setup for the second. Just building up to a crescendo. Overall, just solid fucking metal band. Just pulled me in from the beginning. The music just harmonizes. The vocals just deep, growly, fit so perfectly. Awesome goddamn changes, a little bit of fast sections to throw you off. Solos just melt your face. Gah! I'm absolutely gonna have to dig a little deeper into these motherfuckers. Thanks again, Sarvik, for suggesting these guys. I might have found another favorite. Hey, if you hadn't heard them before, what did you think about this song? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, there'll be a link in the description for this video, so you can go ahead and watch it for yourself. Full screen, full audio, and get the full experience. And as always, have yourself a fantastic evening.